Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. First you will need to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, as you can see, the watch turned on, and before we continue, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. If the battery is not charged, please charge it before you continue. Now let's continue with the reset. So we need to press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, we need to scroll down through it by pressing the down button or up button. You can scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu until you find the system option. This one, select it and press the start button. Now scroll through the menu, find the reset option, select it and press the start button, and then scroll down, find the option called delete data and reset settings. If you use this method, or rather select this option, it will remove the data, your personal data, from the watch and reset the settings to the factory default. If you don't want to remove the personal data from your watch, you can also use the option at the top, which is called reset default settings. So it's only gonna reset the settings to the default. It's not gonna remove any data from your watch. But I'm gonna use the last option to remove the data and reset the settings. So select it, then press the start button. Now press the down button to continue. Now select yes and press the start button to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.